So what you'll want to do is figure out which of these costs are variable and which of these costs are fixed. So we know that direct labor is variable because we pay them per hour. And we know that supervisors' salaries are fixed. And it says that we actually completed 6,000 hours of production. So we want to do this over 6 hours of activity level. So our variable cost for direct labor is going to be, well, it was originally budgeted at 45,000, and that was for 5,000 hours of production. So what we need to do is see how much that was per hour. So what was the direct labor per hour at our original budget? So we had 45,000 and for 5,000 hours of production, so that would be $9. So what we're going to do now, let's go ahead and drop the 5,000 for the 5,000 hours of production, and now we're going to do it for the actual 6,000 hours of production. Okay, so we're going to do the 9 times the budgeted 5,000, and now we're going to do it for the actual. We're going to do the 9 times the actual hours of production, which was 6,000, so that would be 54,000. And then the supervisor salaries don't change. These are fixed, so we pay them the same amount. So since they're fixed, they don't change no matter the change in our hours or activity level. So the supervisor salaries are 30,000. Okay, and then for our total department cost, we would get this for 5,000. And this amount for the 6,000, and then this is considered our original budget, and this is considered our flexible budget, and that is our example exercise. And you can see that total department costs for 6,000 hours is the same as what we got on our spreadsheet. So let me know if you have any questions about that example exercise.